Ladies and gentlemen, this is MZ Your Promise.
Drum rolls. Wait for it.
Nginikela yonke impilo yami kuloleli buko lize liyofika ngizimisele usebenze ngamandla nangokuzikhandla kuze kuyokhanya ngifuna ukuzimela ngibe nento zami ikhaya elifudumele transemazinde iPorsche Panamera dada entabeni umhlaba ongapheli ngisalela abantwana mana kancane ngisafuna siphile asekhona amandla siyabona amazwe phesheya kolwandle lwandle lwaseDubai kwelikameli sihlale emahhotela umuntu uthandayo mbona ngeze umuntu uthandayo mbona ngeze
Promise. The 2Ks are calling, I'm coming. Phone answering, why whispering? We should be on me and you, the menu. Order pendula and yabuza. Sense I lost, don't act like you don't read my posts. When I wear to in and man biza. Brabis, let's make a stone fell short on budget and come with mojo. I'm bold. Squeaky voice of Pinky. Those who love me be Ayanda. Some is Lamba. Yaban is pride. Don't hide it. You should die. Only love with no surprise, no test, no lesson, lessification, no ego killing. I hope you feel me. I'm no puppet, no mind games. Damn cares, we should upload this song on March. Please let me live my life my way with all due respect. RESPECT.
yonke impilo yami kuloleli buko lize liyofezeka sendazimisele usebenze ngamandla nangokuzikhandla kuze kuyokhanya ngifuna ukuzimela ngibe nento zami ikhaya elifudumele transemazinde iPorsche Panamera dada entabeni umhlaba ongapheli ngisalela abantwana mana kancane ngisafuna siphile asekhona amandla siyabona amazwe phesheya kolwandle lwandle lwaseDubai
Listen to this. Listen to
every
this.
white person in this room who would be happy to be treated as this society in general treats our citizens, our black citizens. If you, as a white person, would be happy to receive the same treatment that our black citizens do in this society, please stand. You didn't understand the directions. If you white folks want to be treated the way blacks are in this society, stand. Nobody's standing here. That says very plainly that you know what's happening. You know you don't want it for you. I want to know why you're so willing to accept it or to allow it to happen for others.